How you doing? This is instructions on to change battery of Amazon remote control. Okay? Step 1. Turn on remote control upside down and then you open back piece like so. Now you take step 2 is take battery out of remote. Old battery number 1. Old battery number 2. Step 3. Insert new batteries into back of remote control. There is problem with step 3. We only have one new battery. So we are going to do trick that my grandma told me back a long time ago is you put one new battery in remote control and one old battery in remote control. So new battery will help transfer old battery, closed circuit, and remote control will work. Step 4. Put back on back of remote control. Make sure you click into place like how you hear when I just sound. Step 6 is change channel now with the remote control working and enjoy.